Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. Today we will be talking about health and sickness. Dear friends, health is the most valuable thing on earth for a living organism. But sometimes we get ill, and that's because of microbes. But wait, where are microbes? Microbes are too small to be seen with the naked eye. So, how do we know they exist? When you see moldy bread in your fridge, you are seeing colonies or groups of microbes. Similarly, when you get a cavity or tooth decay, there is a particular type of microbe growing in your mouth, which is called bacteria. Bacteria form a sticky, colorless film called plaque that constantly forms on our teeth. It is responsible for infection in our gums and causes cavities and tooth decay, and can harden into tartar if not removed daily. The organisms which cannot be seen by naked eyes and can be seen with the help of a microscope is known as microorganisms. Now, these microorganisms, when attack a living organism and cause disease in them, it is known as infection. Some disease is spread from person to person or through other organisms. These are called infectious diseases. Some common infectious diseases are polio, tuberculosis, malaria, dengue, etc. But how do these organisms or microorganisms attack or infect us? Let's find out. The microorganisms infect us by various ways. In our daily lives, we come into contact with other humans, animals, plants, insects, flies, and many more. These may be infected with harmful microbes, so they put us at risk of being exposed to disease. To enter a body, a pathogen follows a chain of events that together form a circular chain. It is called the chain of infection. In this chain, the first step is that the process begins with the existence of a certain disease-causing microbe, or which we can call pathogen. It is the first link in the chain. The second link in the chain is the reservoir, or we can say the environment where the pathogen can survive. Examples of reservoir include water, soil, and maybe someone who is already infected. The third link in the chain is the means of escape from the reservoir. For example, if we are the reservoir, the pathogen can escape when we cough or sneeze. The fourth link in the chain is the mode of transmission from the reservoir to the host. If water is the reservoir of germs, its mode of transmission would be our drinking water supply. The fifth link in the chain is the means of entry. A pathogen must find a way inside the host to cause infection. And the final link in the chain is how vulnerable the host is to the infection.